fuck is he's fucking nitrous oxide too. That's definitely one you want to catch. So the second of the two Mercs, the goldish beige silver one, driver was on the phone and with a balloon. Should you be huffing nitrous oxide and using your phone? Why are you using your phone? And you're taking nitrous oxide? He's huffing nitrous oxide while driving along.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. The thing is, if the cops come, it's gone out of your system so quickly. I don't know what to do. And on his phone. Anyway, and on his phone. Lovely to drive with that. Anyway, I wish you... Sorry?
What can you do? What can you do with these people, eh?
Oh, anyway, you be lucky.
Do what they want to do, don't they?
It's human nature, sadly. I wish you to be lucky and get lots of business.
Yeah, be careful.
Cheers, man.